In today's video, I'm going to be going over everything you need to know about risk to reward. What's good, guys? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 50,000 subscribers. And guys, don't forget to smash out that thumbs up button. Let's try and smash out 400 likes in this video. So let's get it. What I wanted to do is I wanted to give you guys an example of a trade that I was breaking down for the mentees. And so it was a Euro USD trade. So check this out. First of all, you can see this is on the 9th of March and I'm just letting you know what I see on the EU. I see a 1 to 44R. And so check this out. I'm just marking it up. I'm like, you know, boom, prices making higher highs and higher lows, and then it breaks down and it needs to pull back. And then I've jotted up where I believe price is going to pull back to, as you can see right down here, 1.1907 ish. You can see my stop loss is like 1.1908.6, so literally like a 1.5 pip stop loss for this one. Yeah, so now let's just check it out. Then you can see over here price literally just comes and taps us into the very T, to the pinpoint T, and then it starts to drop. I'm giving you guys this example because I want to show you what risk to reward is like compared to myself and what I show my mentees and compared to other people. So now you can see down here also, so you can see down here what happened. Price came up to stop us out. This like reached to like a 1 to 10 or something like that, but then price came to stop us out. Then they started consolidating here. Retail traders were loading up in their buys to go long, but when you go long, someone else has to go short, and so that's where the institutions load up on their sells. And so there's an exchange going on here, and then price starts to drop again. And so we have the exact same entry with the exact same stop loss here, as you can see, with the exact same stop loss right down here. So now, and then obviously you can see price starts breaking down and whatnot. And let me see if there's any more updates. You can see down here, price breaks down fully. It breaks down fully, takes out the equal lows. So this is what we're going to be looking at now on the charts. I just wanted to show you that part because that was what I was breaking down for my mentees. And so guys, if you're down for mentorship, hit me up on Instagram. Let me know. Let's get to work. The mentees are having a blessed time. They're learning so much. They're growing so much, and they're catching these good trades as well. So guys, I wanted to quickly show you guys what's going on now. And I want to show you all how you can maximize your profits with good risk to reward. Check this out. First of all, I'm going to put this up here. So I'll just let them know this was the first entry and this was the second entry, so you don't need to worry about that. But I'm going to do person A and person B. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to name this person person A. That's person A, and I'm going to make this smaller so you can see it. And I'm going to copy and paste the exact same thing and do person B. Person B down here. So person B entered at the same time as person A. Person A has a stop loss of 1.2 pips, as you can see, 1.2 pips, because they've been mentored, they've got the knowledge, they've got the understanding, they know exactly where to put their stop loss. But person B, they're trained the traditional way of forex, and they say you have to put your stop loss above a high. For example, they need to put your stop loss above the high. Yeah, and so this is the high, family. This is the high, which is 8 pips, but they're trained to put at least 10 pips to 20 to 30 pips. So I'm gonna go 10 pips in total. 10 pips, because look, they don't just pull it at the high, they pull it above the high. This is what you're taught traditionally. So guys, we're gonna chop this up. We're gonna do person A. So person A has a stop loss of 1.2 pips, right? As you can see, we're gonna break this down. Yeah, 1.2 pips. They are going for 25. Let's just call it 25 pips. They're going for 25 pips. Yeah. So this is the goal, 25 pips. They're targeting 25 pips in total. Their risk to reward is a 1 to 21. So I'm just going to round up to 1 to 21. So their target is a 1 to 21. A 1 to 21. So that's person A. So I'm going to space this out so it's a little more easier to see as well. So this is person A. This is person A. Because their stop loss was really small, it was a 1.2 pip stop loss. And I'm using this example because this is exactly what we did. Had a stop loss of 1.2 pips. Target was 25 pips. Their risk to reward was a 1 to 21. 1 to 21R. Cool. So that's that. Now let's go to person B. I'm just going to copy and paste this over and put this right up in here. Person B has a 10 pip stop loss. They're targeting 25 pips, but their risk to reward is a 1 to 2.5. Let's just put it 1 to 2.5. Person A, yeah, and person B have the same account. Let's just say they have 10 grand in their account. And so now check this out. If person A was to win this trade, they will make 2,058 bucks. Let's go. Let's just type it in. 2,058 bucks. 2,058. Yeah, cool. I'm in the UK, so this is what we're doing. And then person B, if they were to win this trade, they are making £247. And so this is obviously if they're risking 1% per trade. If they're risking 1% per trade, they're going to make £245. I'm going to move this up a bit so you can see it. So person A, because they've learned where to put their stop loss, they're being disciplined and they have good risk management, they're risking 1% per trade and they can make 2 G's on this trade. Whereas person B, they've been trained the traditional way, they can only make £245. And so now look what happens when the trade starts going, going. And don't forget, you're targeting these equal lows down here. This is where your target is, which is roughly about 25 pips. And 25 pips, the person A is making £2,000 because they're able to trade a much bigger lot size. So let's break this down. There's a 10G account, £10,000 account. I'm gonna go to Stinio on my phone and I'm gonna go ahead and record this too. So right now I'm on my account. I'm gonna put in £10,000. £10,000. Yeah, I'm risking 1% per trade. My stop loss is 1 pip for now. I'm just gonna put 1 pip because it's closer to 1 pip than 2 pips, right? I'm gonna go select currency pair. I'm going to Euro USD and go to calculate. It's telling me I can trade a 10 lot size. A 10 lot size for this trade right here. 10 lots. Yeah, 10 lots to jump into this trade. And so that means I can use the lot size. Let's just break it down, guys. Let's break it down. Yeah, we're gonna put it here. We're gonna put down lot size, and I'm gonna put 10. Person A can use 10 lots to trade this trade, whereas person B, let's quickly go to person B now. So let's just renew this. 10 G's, 1%, and your stop loss is 10 pips. Go to calculate, boom, Euro USD, calculate. It's saying that I can use a 1 lot size. You see the difference now? 1 lot size. So let's go here, let's go to lot size. You can only use a 1 lot size. You see the difference? So now because you understood what was going on over here, and so you was able to jump in, you knew where to put your stop loss. Whereas person B, as you can see, person B, they will talk the traditional way. So let me quickly delete that. They will talk the traditional way and they will put it 10 pips above the high. And so, but person A was able to make a lot more money than person B. Person A and person B, there's nothing wrong with both of these folk. Person A is not better than person B. Person B is not better than person A. This is just the way people have been taught. This is how people have been trained. And so if you're comfortable with this, then trade that. Right, you don't need to be catching these high risk reward trades. If you're comfortable, yeah, and you're comfortable trading like this, it's fine. If you're not comfortable trading like that and you want to be able to trade like this, then that's also fine. But then you're gonna have to find yourself a mentor who can actually show you this stuff. Look, I'm gonna plug my mentorship because I know this is what I do. I don't know about other people, but this is what I do. And so look, check this out. And I showed you guys, and I showed all of you what was going on. We broke this down right to the T, right to the point. We were waiting for it to get up here. So I just wanted to break down how you're able to capitalize on making the most out of your trade. If you know where to put your stop loss, you can actually trade on much bigger lot size if you're not using that traditional way. And just one more time, like I said, there is no hate for none of these folks. This person here is going to be able to make a lot more money. This person here is not going to make as much, but they're still making money. And I'm pretty sure £245 or £247, whatever it is, it's still good money. Do you understand? It's still good money. And if this is you and you're comfortable with that, that's blessed. 25 pips, 240 something pounds, you're blessed. Same move, 25 pips, 2,000 and something pounds, you're blessed. It's all good. I wanted to quickly show you that. And so it's just so important. It's so important for you to know where to put your stop losses at. So this is why I'm able to catch a big risk to reward trade, is because I know where to put my stop losses. So for example, in this case, I put my stop loss above this wick over here. You see it? You see this candlestick over here? I put my stop loss just at the wick. Do you see it? Just there. And so this is why when I was tagged into this one, it dropped to 1 to 10, came out to stop me out at break even. Then obviously I wanted to wait and see what happened. It started working the level, started exchanging the contracts. I was happy to jump in again, entered in right here, price broke down, pulled up again. I could have had a second entry, but I was good. And then it completely dropped. You see it? That's what I really wanted to show you all. I wanted to show you all how to maximize your risk to reward. If you like these kind of videos, definitely drop the thumbs up button. Let's try and smash 400 likes. I know my like gang stays very active, so guys, 400 likes is the goal. Also guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. Let's get this channel to 50,000 subs. This channel's going places. And like I said guys, if you want that mentorship, hit your boy up on Instagram. Okay, just type in mentorship in my DMs and let's get to work.